In this video, I'll show you how to turn on and use iCloud on your Mac. To use iCloud services, you'll need an Apple ID. If you don't have one yet, you can check out the tutorial on how to create an account that I've linked in the description below. Once you have your account ready, let's open System Settings to sign in. In the System Settings window, click right here on the Account Info area to log in. If you've previously signed into the App Store, you'll see a button that says Start Using iCloud. Go ahead and click on that. Next, enter the email or phone number you used to register your iCloud account, along with your password to sign in. If your Mac asks for your system login password, just type that in right here. After that, the system will show a few prompts to confirm merging data between your Mac and iCloud. For instance, this window asks if you want to merge your Safari browsing history with your existing iCloud data. Usually, we just click Merge to combine them. Next is a prompt to enable Find My Mac. You should click Allow so you can track down your Mac just in case it ever gets lost. Once you're successfully signed in and confirm those settings, click on your Apple account profile icon, and you'll see the iCloud section. Let's click on that. Right at the top, it displays your iCloud storage capacity. With a free account, we get 5 GB. If you want to use more space, you'll need to upgrade by clicking the Upgrade button. Down below, you'll see a section called Saved to iCloud. Because iCloud is Apple's cloud service used to store and sync data for almost all apps in the Apple ecosystem, when you click the See All button, you'll see a long list of apps along with their current sync settings. You can tweak these to decide exactly which apps get synced and which ones don't. And that's it. You've started using iCloud on your Mac. Thanks for watching the video, and see you in the next one.